Hey guys, Anthony here, TechSavvyy. So today guys, we're going to be talking about the 10th generation iPhone. I think we all know what iPhone I'm talking about. This guys is the iPhone X. I mean, it was a pretty cool phone when it came out. Everyone was dying to get their hands on it. Unfortunately, as you guys know, I didn't get my hands on it just because it was so expensive. So make sure you guys get subscribed and turn on notifications so you guys don't miss the Apple awesomeness around here. Let's get on with this video. The iPhone X has had some rumors recently. Recently, it's been told that they will be canceling the iPhone X. Why? The iPhone X was a step forward in technology. The reason why they're canceling the iPhone X is Ming-Chi Kuo, the KGI analyst. He pretty much told us that they'll be canceling the iPhone X in mid-summer of 2018 due to lack of demand in China. What Ming-Chi Kuo said, and this guy has a long track of revealing Apple secrets, is he pretty much said that the reason they're canceling it is especially because lack of demand in China. Now Ming-Chi Kuo said that most of the people in China didn't want the iPhone X due to the screen size and that it wasn't big enough. So I think Apple's gonna come back. I mean, some people are saying a 6.1 inch screen and a 6.5 inch screen and a new iPhone SE 2 in May, I think, with a 5.5 inch screen. So guys, Apple's gonna definitely up their game, I think, on screens. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped for the next generation of iPhones. Do I think the Apple iPhone X was a failure of a product from Apple? No guys, I do not. I mean, the Apple iPhone X was a cool product. I just think it was lacking with its high price range and with screen size, obviously, as Ming-Chi Kuo stated. So make sure you guys get subscribed and turn those notifications so you guys don't miss the next Apple video. A big shout out goes to Richard for having my notifications on. If you guys want a notification shout, just let me know. Notification squad in the comments. Until next time, guys. Peace.